Welcome to the first episode of iOS development. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a simple project like a simple web browser. So, what do you do in a web browser? Generally, we can explore many websites, we can store many things, we can refresh, we can stop, we can go to the back portion, we can go to the next portion. So, in this video, I'm going to just make a simple web browser by using just only a toolbar which will allow us to explore as many websites as we can, and there will be a stop button. It will be helping us to stop the uploading section of the web browser and the refresh one. And in these tools will be able to go to the back portion, and by using this we'll be able to go to the forward portion of the website. So how can we actually do this? First of all, look at the interface of this is the home. Actually, in the code section we have selected the home always will be google.com. We can also add any URL just to change this, and in this particular section we will be able to go to a new website. Just like if we want to go in the Facebook, then we will be able to type www.fb.com, and then we'll press the enter button, and there is a loading activator here. This will show us the activity of the uploading section. So here is our new interface. So how can actually we make it? It is as simple as water. So first of all, we will need the ID called Xcode. If we want to develop iOS application, then we'll have to work all of our projects in this ID. Okay, so I'll be uploading the whole project in the description sector. So what did actually we do in the viewcontroller.m and the viewcontroller.h? This is the main portion of our code. So back to the main.storyboard. So it's actually the uh, designing interface of our project. So we have taken a UI web view, UI search bar, UI item bar here, and in the item bar section we have actually taken four items: one for the refresh one for the stop to the uploading section, one to go back forward, and one to go to the forward section. Okay, so we have added actually four properties in here. uh, Here is the property. uh, the property for the your web view is called web view. The property to the integrity activator means that the rounding section which helps us to know if our uploading is finished or whether it is still working. And the search bar is that section where we'll be writing the new website address. So what did we do? viewcontroller.m. In the view did load, what I said earlier, that my home page will always be google.com. Here in this code section I have added that whenever our view will be loaded, there will be always www.google.com. If we change it by www.facebook.com, then it will be always shown the Facebook section. And this timer will help us to show the loader activity, how much times actually it takes to upload a page, and in the meantime the loader will be loading itself. Okay, so in this loading section it tells us, and then in the meantime the web view will be loading, it will be start animating, and in the meantime it will not be loading, it will be stopped the animating. And the search bar option, whether we will be able to create new addresses or want to go in the new website addresses, then it will be help us to write http. We will not need to write this http thing because it is already by default we have written it in the code section. So if we don't use it, it won't be a big problem. And by this stuff, it means that what web address I am writing in the search bar. And actually this is the basic code. This is a very easy code for a beginner level, and I can say that it's pretty much easy thing to use all this code as a short project of your own iOS application making. So thank you guys. I think it will be helpful for you. If you want to check this project, then go to the description, and please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Cheers.